Okay. I've got this light that we need to put on up there. Right there. We've got to fix the hole and damage left by the old light fixture. We've got about 2 inches that way. And let's go 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. Let's make a little triangle. Some drywall. Use the tapered edge of a 3/8 inch piece of drywall. So I'll pull that out of there. A little drywall mud on the back of it. That piece cut pretty tight, so he's staying in there just with pressure. A piece of roll tape. I don't want a lot of excess tape. More for me to mud later. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that on there. I want it very thin right now. You can actually see the tape through the mud. Like that, and I'll come back later and put the next layer on. What we need to do is a screw right here. I need to remove that, there's 3 of them, and this cap's going to come off. Then that guy there is going to get wired up to it. 1. 2. If I had bought the same brand, these would have been push fit. They're not, so I'm going to need to take these off and use some wire nuts. Got that in there. White with the white, the black with the blue. The black power line for this is the fan, and it's already wired up above. There we go. The little cap you got there, take and push out. I want to take the cap, and it's got to go down on this now. Twist in. There he goes. Twist him in there. The washer on there. Okay, slide him all the way up in there. And the nut. Slide him back in there. And twist it on. Okay. So that's how he's going to get held up there. Got to wire these 2 guys and hold them up. I'm going to screw back in those 3 screws. So these 3 screws are hard to get in over that. I recommend using a long, well, not long, but use a standard Phillips head with a magnetic end. The light that's going to go over, I'm going to slide that up on the post, and then over that I'll slide this, and then over that and slide this nut. To put this fan here, because I want it to be able to change speed. So I'm going to separate right here, bend the chain, and then I'm going to feed it through right there, and then it'll go through the lip. Numbers in one corner.
Yeah.
Okay. That guy in there, and then this guy right here, and then this guy right here, this cord extension, which was good because I wouldn't be able to feed it through otherwise. And it did come with a pendant for the new one. The guy there, fans going, lights going, change fan speeds. It looks like that's off. There's high, medium, low, off. I'll leave that on.